Hey guys, just another video here. Wait for it to focus. There it goes. I'm going to be taking this cover off. Got a couple bolts around here, and then I'm going to be pulling the magneto off. So I'm going to use my new tripod here. See how well it works. Back here further. And you do it at an angle so you can see. Use my new sockets. There's a 5/16 bolt. Now this wrench is from Princess Auto, or a socket wrench is from Princess Auto, but it's the best one I got. It's awesome. Even though it's Princess Auto, it's still got a nice gear. I think it's a 72 tooth. I think it is. It's awesome. But anyway, throw this on here. One down. Of course, they have to put the bolts in the oddest places. Actually, these ones aren't too bad to get to. There's one down in the corner here. It's a pain in the ass. If this was all played along here, it'd be quite an interesting feat. And this, yeah. If this was all closed in there, I'd probably have to use my really long extension, which is like 18 inches or something. There we go. I stripped a bit of thread out of that. Alright, now time for this one. I also have to re-drill the holes for the engine. Not really because they weren't drilled perfect. So actually, maybe I can't remember. It's been so long. Now, I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get a new magneto. I'm just gonna get it off and carry it around with me till we pass. There's one place called Gasland up in South Surrey. Not South Surrey, but anyway. Couple kilometers away from us that I'm gonna try first. Cheap price, and my grandma always goes there for her mowers and stuff. Whenever. I think she just bought her like second mower now. She has two mowers, one John Deere and one Toro. I like the John Deere. Doesn't get clogged. Toro does like a half bag before it stops bagging, which is a pain in the freaking ass. John Deere one's built a lot more heavy duty too. That's just me, so. Anyway, alright. So, get this out here. Uh-oh, you might have to pull the carb off. Enjoy. Damn this crap. Whatever. I hate these little engines. Actually, I have automotive 11 now this year in school, so I haven't learned a whole lot. Actually, I don't think I've learned anything. But yeah, I'm working on this one Nissan pickup truck of the schools. We're going to be lowering it, or slamming it, and chopping the roof. We're putting airbag on it. And it's a neat little Nissan, one of those little Nissan pickups. And normally it's got like a V4 in it. We're putting, is it V4 or V6? I'm not sure. But we're putting a V8 and a Chevy 350. 350? Yeah, 350 V8 in the sucker, so she's gonna take off. But yeah, I've been trying to make new engine mounts for it and it's paining me. There's like no room in the shop. Well, there's lots of room if they got rid of some of the shit cars in there, but pardon my language, or the younger viewers. But anyway, yeah, there isn't really a whole lot of room to move. I put my head on that other damn cars. Like I'll slide out from underneath the truck and I'll go to get up and my head's underneath another car and I'll bang it on that one and I'll slide back under, bang it on the truck. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, teacher's shown us how to do brakes, done those before on my mom's truck. Or not my mom's truck, what was it? Can't remember what truck it was. Somebody's truck. Anyway, brakes, spark plugs, already done that. How is this connected to? I think I found it, probably. Holy shit. Yeah, I think it's the magneto, guys. Holy crap, suckers. Bad shape. But anyway, yeah, we've done spark plugs, headlights, how to fix a tire, tire machine, all that kind of good stuff. Alright guys, I think I found my problem. Well, there's your problem. We got some burning around the metal there, around the wire. It's all melted, and it's cracked all the way around, and it's like molten plastic or something oozed out. I don't really want to know what oozed out, but anyway. So yeah, I have a feeling that's probably my problem. So if once I get a new magneto, we should be good to go. I don't know why I didn't that. Weird. Never seen anything like that. Anyway, we got that out. I'm gonna replace the Chinese spark plug while I'm at it. A few people said that to replace the spark plug before I replaced the magneto. I was going to do that until I just noticed the huge crack on it. So now I'm just going to replace everything. I could probably take the engine back to Princess Auto and get an exchange and warranty, under warranty, all that good stuff. Problem is, I've modified the exhaust and I don't want to do that again. And I've also modified I've took the ignition off and extended the wires, and I don't really want to do that again. So for 30 bucks, probably $30 for a new magneto, $2 for a new spark plug, it's not worth it to pack. I don't even have the box, so it's not worth taking all apart and going back. I don't know what that was. I think it's plastic, or it's whatever. I don't even know what's in these things. Once I get the new one, I'm going to cut that in half and see what's inside, just to be curious. But anyway, alright guys. Hey, it's been 9 minutes. I'm probably going to have a video one of these days. I'm going to, for that Pathfinder, there's some rust on the back seats. I'm going to cut that out, weld some patches in there, paint it. Engine I'm going to be doing, I'm probably going to do new brakes on it. Do some brakes on it, spark plugs, wires, probably pop the manifold, clean the engine out, all kinds of, I don't know, we'll see. And get into it. But yeah. Alright guys, take care. See you later. Bye. Oh, and also, shoot, what's the guy's name? Andrew? I think it's Andrew. He's making a articulated tractor. He's got a loader on in the works on it for it, It's not. He wants to do. Also, he also wants to do a backhoe in the back. Doesn't look like it'll be able to handle an arm this size, but he's going to be doing a backhoe in the back. So yeah, I'll post a link to his channel. It's pretty sweet. Hydraulic steering. Oh man, it's awesome. He's just having a little trouble with some of the hydraulics and things breaking. Underestimating some of the power of the hydraulics, but yeah, it's awesome. So yeah, check them out. Thanks for watching. Take care.